Hey friends, joining me just after work, and we're finally on the final plate of the 3D print build. So one of the things that I've been looking at is how I can make some money with cursor lists. So if we look at it right now, you can see I've got this really unobtrusive ad. It drives some traffic to Scrapezy, but it doesn't really convert, so kind of pointless. And then I saw that John Rush's got an ads platform, so let's give it a go. So that's it, it's a little after 9:30. I've just deployed cursor list. Can't really be bothered to force Cloudflare to dump the cache, so I'll check on that in the morning. All in all, pretty chill day. Got 3D prints finished, just got to assemble them, and so that's it. Time to start getting the house ready, go to bed, get a nice early night.